Hello everyone, this is Hobbi Crochet. I want to share with you this pattern, beautiful tulip pattern, how to make tulips. The pattern works up very quickly and could be a very fast project. I will show you slowly how to make all of this. Obviously you can customize, you can make instead of single crochet you can make a row of double crochet, you can make 2 or 3 rows of double crochets or of half double crochets. I'm making this tulip with a popcorn stitch, but of course you can make just a puff stitch, so this pattern will be very customizable depending on your need, depending on the yarn you've got, your tension and everything. But apart from that, this project is very quick to make and very fun, and it is very popular right now. Let's start with slip knot and chain. Make it as long as you want for your current project. The chain should be times 3 plus 2. I have made 20, so 18 plus 2. Chain 1 and single crochet in the first chain stitch, and I will make the row of single crochets, 1 single crochet in each stitch. This is not very interesting row, but it will give you the layout, the base of the pattern, and it will look always great if you start your pattern with single crochet row. And this will be my right side. I will go on the other side, so chain 1, turn, and another row of single crochets, and I will be making 2 more rows of single crochets. At the end of the row you want to make chain 1 and cut the yarn. And now we need to go with different color yarn. It will be green yarn for petals, attaching the yarn and making 2 chain stitches, skip 1 stitch, make double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2 stitches, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, skip 1 or skip 2 and repeat. Skip 2, and at the end you should have 2 stitches left, 1 double crochet in the last stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now I want to go with pink, so I'm attaching the yarn into the third chain stitch, chain 3, and for the tulip it will be popcorn stitch, yarn over, making 1 double crochet into the same stitch, making second, third, fourth, and 1 more, then what I'm doing, take the hook out, inserting the first double crochet, put that stitch back on, make it smaller, and drag the stitch through the first stitch, chain 2, this is your first flower, then you keep going into the next space, chain 1 space, making 5 more double crochets, and repeat, inserting the first double crochet, pick up a loop, taking it through, making chain 2. When I put it on my hook, I'm making the stitch smaller and then making chain 2. And there are lots of ways to customize this pattern according to your needs, according to your yarn. It is possible to make not popcorn stitch, you can make just a puff stitch for tulips. For leaves you can make not just double crochet and chain 1 double crochet, you can make double crochet clusters. If you see this pattern slightly different, don't think that you've done something wrong. It is just lots of different varieties for this pattern. You can write down in the comments what do you wanna, what are you planning to do with this pattern? Maybe a book sleeve, maybe a hairband, could be pretty, or bag, crochet blanket, crochet pillowcase. Lots of things you can make with this pattern, and right now it is very popular pattern. I saw someone made a summer vest, also very pretty. Make a cardigan or a skirt, or you can use anywhere you want. So this is my last tulip, chain 1 and double crochet in the last stitch. Fantastic. And this will be the right side, so make sure that next row of tulips look on the same side, on the right side. Another varieties could be that instead of single crochet you can make a row of double crochet, row of half double crochets, let's make 3 chain stitches and row of double crochet, 1 double crochet in chain 1 space, double crochet on top of the tulip stitch, 2 double crochet in chain 2 space, one double crochet on tulip, 2 double crochets on chain 2 space, one double crochet on tulip, and this is the part for white, 1 2 1 2. And we can finish with 2 double crochets. If you want to keep this white, you are free to keep it. I will just cut, make chain 1 and cut. Found my green yarn, and it will be pretty the same. Chain 2 or 3 the high of your double crochet, skip 1 stitch, make a V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet, skip 2 stitches and make another V-stitch. I can go this time slightly faster if you want to slow the speed. This is just for you to memorize this pattern. If you already memorized, it's good for you. You can say goodbye, subscribe, like and comment. Don't forget to tell me what you're planning to do with this pattern. This pattern, as you can see, it works up very quickly. I'm sure you can enjoy this pattern in no time. This was 4 leaves. Finish with 1 double crochet, and in order to start pink, we want it to face us on the right way, so I will start from this side again. There you go. And I will start with 4 chain stitches. Make 1 popcorn for tulip, I have made 4, I need to make 5. But of course, if your yarn is nice and thick, you can make only 4. But make sure you go for all around 2 chain stitches between and keep going. And don't forget to check my other video how to make this beautiful bracelet. It is very easy, you can make it in 20 minutes. Fantastic little project if you wanna make something quick, something cool.